My guess is this is the direction things are taking, and LLMs will continue to get more reliable. Um, what does that mean for like the workforce? I think some jobs will be more impacted than others, and the general trend will be that people will, on average, operate at higher levels of quote unquote abstraction or cognitive activity in general. But I don't know what that'll create in terms of new job opportunities. If I look at the past, even something as back as like the days of as far back as the time of the Luddites, and when the Industrial Revolution happened, some jobs were lost, other jobs were improved and augmented, and new jobs were created. And you could make the same case when we moved from like, massive mainframes to ERP, from ERP to SaaS. Um,
Mhm.
so I tend to be cautiously optimistic, but I'm not under the illusion that like there won't be losers in this race.